ثم أنتم هؤلاء تقتلون أنفسكم وتخرجون فريقا منكم من ديارهم تظاهرون عليهم بالإثم والعدوان وإن يأتوكم أسارى تفادوهم وهو محرم عليكم إخراجهم أفتؤمنون ببعض الكتاب وتكفرون ببعض فما جزاء من يفعل ذلك منكم إلا خزي في الحياة الدنيا ويوم القيامة يردون إلى أشد العذاب وما الله بغافل عما تعملون.
Then you are those who kill one another and expel a group of your people from their homes, assisting each other in sin and transgression. And if they come to you as captives, you ransom them, although it is forbidden for you to expel them. So do you believe in part of the scripture, and disbelieve in part of it? Then what is the recompense for those who do that among you, except disgrace in the worldly life, and on the day of resurrection, they will be returned to the severest punishment, and Allah is not unaware of what you do.